In today's video, I'm going to teach you delete customer in QuickBooks Online. When you remove a customer in QuickBooks Online, what you're really doing is making that customer inactive. This keeps your accounting history intact while clearing the customer from your active lists. It's the correct way to delete without breaking reports or removing past transactions, and it's reversible if you ever need the customer back. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into the company you want to manage. Once you're on the dashboard, head to your customers list. You'll see an option labeled Customers in your navigation. Click that to open the full roster of customers tied to your books. If you have a long list, it can help to use the search field at the top to quickly find who you're looking for, or sort by name or status to bring similar records together. Next, select the customer you want to remove by checking the box next to their name. This tells QuickBooks which record you intend to affect. Before you proceed, it's smart to glance at their balance and recent activity. If a customer has open invoices or other linked transactions, QuickBooks will preserve those records and simply mark the customer inactive, which is exactly what we want. If you need to clean up several customers at once, you can select multiple boxes at the same time. This is especially handy during a year-end tidy-up or when you've imported data and discovered duplicate or outdated profiles. Just be sure you've selected only those you truly want to inactivate. Taking a second to review saves you from having to retrace your steps later. With your selection made, look for the Batch Actions menu above the list. Click it, then choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm. Read the message so you understand that the customers will disappear from active lists, but their historical transactions will remain in your reports. Confirm to continue and QuickBooks will process your selection. If any customer can't be inactivated due to specific links or requirements, you'll see a notice explaining why so you can review that record as needed. That's all there is to it. You've removed those customers from your active view without losing any accounting history. As a tip, remember that inactive customers won't appear when creating new sales forms, which keeps your pick lists clean. And if you ever need one again, you can bring them back from inactive status without rebuilding their profile from scratch.